Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making deviled eggs that never fail. I'll show you a classic recipe, easy peeling tips, and a few flavor ideas that will wow your friends and family. Creamy, tangy, and easy to grab in one bite, deviled eggs are the kind of snack that disappears fast. They feel a little fancy, but they're made from simple ingredients you probably already have. And once you learn the basic method, you can make them for almost any occasion. This video walks you through a classic deviled egg recipe that's smooth and reliable, plus the small details that keep the whites from tearing and the filling from turning runny. You'll also get simple flavor ideas that taste like you put in extra work, even if you didn't. They're perfect for holidays, potlucks, and even meal prep when you want a quick, high-protein snack. Classic deviled eggs recipe, simple, creamy, and reliable. A great deviled egg has two goals: firm whites that hold their shape, and a smooth filling that tastes bright, not heavy. You don't need special tools, but you do need a little patience with the eggs. Ingredients: classic deviled egg filling. For 12 deviled egg halves, 6 whole eggs. 6 large eggs. 1/4 cup mayonnaise, add slowly, you may use a bit less. 1 to 2 teaspoons yellow mustard, to taste. 1 teaspoon vinegar or pickle juice. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, start small. Black pepper, to taste. Paprika, for topping. Step by step, classic deviled eggs. Cook the eggs until the yolks are set but not chalky, timing matters, more on that below. Cool them fast in an ice bath so they peel cleanly and stop cooking. Peel carefully, then pat the whites dry so the filling doesn't slide around. Slice lengthwise with a sharp knife. Wipe the blade between cuts for clean edges. Pop out yolks into a bowl. Set the whites on a plate or tray. Mash yolks very fine, then mix in mayo, mustard, and vinegar or pickle juice. Add salt and pepper. Taste and adjust before you fill the whites. A pinch more salt, a touch more mustard, or a small splash of pickle juice can wake up the flavor. Fill and finish. Spoon the filling in, or pipe it for a neater look. Dust lightly with paprika. Texture check, the filling should be creamy and hold soft peaks. If it looks glossy and loose, stop adding mayo and chill it before filling. How to boil and peel eggs without tearing the whites. Start with slightly older eggs if you can. Eggs that have sat in the fridge for a week tend to peel easier than very fresh ones. Put eggs in a saucepan and cover with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts boiling, cover the pan and turn off the heat. Let the eggs rest in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Move eggs to an ice bath for 10 minutes. To peel, tap the egg all over to crack the shell, then peel under a thin stream of running water. The water helps lift the membrane. After peeling, pat the whites dry with a paper towel so the filling sticks and doesn't weep. Thanks for watching part 1. Try these tips with your eggs and see how smooth and creamy the filling turns out. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.